Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to go back in Notion. So for sake of this tutorial I will create a new empty page and name it example page. So let's say I will write some text, and now I will delete it. Now the text is deleted, and in order to bring it back I will have to press Command Z on my keyboard or Ctrl Z if you are on Windows. This will bring up the text and any changes that you have done. Now let's say you delete this page, so this example page, I will move it to trash, and right now I want to restore it. So what will I do is to go right here to trash and find the example page right here. It usually takes a while it appears right here, so wait a bit and then open trash again and you should see it here, this example page. So just click on restore arrow right here and now your example page is back. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.